June, July is the season for monarch butterfly. These had a lot of chrysalis that I took from all over to save them from attack from other predators like birds and wasps. Here, as you could see, they were suspended with a paper clip and neodymium magnets. These magnets are very powerful, and these magnets right here, as you could see, those are from television speaker, as well as the other one right here, right there. Those are magnets from television speaker. These are regular magnet, and the white one, the silver one, those are neodymium magnets, very strong. If it is so big, it may pinch your finger, but these are very kind of small, like 16 of an inch by half inch. And as you get the chrysalis, sometimes they left cotton, so I take advantage of the cotton so I could hang them there. This one from the branch, so I took it. This is one goes from apple leaves, so I took the whole apple leaves and hang it there, as well as this one. These are strong neodymium magnet. As this magnet drops, it's very brittle and it breaks by corners or in half. And as long as there's another magnet there that's waiting for a hanger. These, as you see on the bottom, they actually hang there on their own, and some right here under the basket is right there, hanging there, and the very end right there is almost ready. And the black one right there is almost ready in about this week. And some of them are very small hangers, so I suspended them on a paper clip together on top of the magnet. These magnets is very strong. It could adhere on here, stick it on here, metal screen. And some are sharing spaces. I hope it will work. I've never seen like chrysalis like this on this setup. I've seen a lot online, but not this one. I tried a cheesecloth, but it doesn't work. Maybe later on back-to-back tape or sticky tape, or for the lizard or flies, maybe work, but I ran out of it, so I have no time to buy. So whatever I have right now is neodymium magnet. As you could see, other magnet here where the paper clip is, that shows you that is a magnet. And these magnets around here, all neodymium those are expensive to buy just for the small size. I believe it's $1 each. And that's about it. About 5 minutes right now, and some more later in my yard. Right there were most of the milkweeds we have, and we have a bunch of milkweed all over. Whenever the seed fly, they start on their own. So some are fighting, some are still waiting for their turn to become chrysalis. Right here, as you could see, sometimes they compete to each other in one tree, in one stem. They're still eating the flower. Alright, that's about it for now. See you again. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for sharing for my little story. Thanks, and have a nice day, and God bless.